Hello, boys and girls. So after the lesson one, after we gone through the idea and revision on pollination and fertilization, let's take a look at lesson two. What happened to the flower after fertilization? In general, the flower is going to become fruit, 水果. So let's take a look how the flower become a fruit step by step. So what happens after the fertilization of flower is that normally for the flower they have the petals that I drawn here, right? But after fertilization, the petals they will be gone. We call that wither and fall off. Wither that means 凋謝跌咗落嚟啦. So different parts will be withered and fall off. This includes first of all the stamens. The male part of the flower, they will bye-bye, wither and fall off 凋謝. The petals, 花瓣, they will also wither, 凋謝. And the sepal in here, which helps a little bit of protection of the petals, it will also fall off. So the remaining part that will stay is, let me use another color. All right. So the remaining part that will stay is the very middle part, the ovary part. It will stay in the flower. So after fertilization, you will be able to seeing the ovary becoming bigger, and the ovary, it will actually become the fruit, 水果啦. And then in the very middle, what do you see? These are actually the seed. So now let's take a look at a clearer picture. For the ovary wall, the ovary in here, the ovary wall is going to become the fruit wall of the fruit. So this is the fruit wall on the outside, and this one is a 荷蘭豆. And for the seed, where does it come from? It actually comes from the ovule. The ovule. The ovule, the parts in here is going to become each of the seed. And if you have many ovules, if they fertilized, each of the fertilized ovule, they will become the seed. After fertilization, the ovule in here, inside it has the ovum, which is actually the female gamete. This female gamete, it will meet with the male gamete for fertilization, and it forms what we call the embryo, Chinese 的胚胎啦. This embryo is found inside the seed. It's different from the seed, it is the inside of the seed, the 胚胎 embryo. So this is a picture given from the publisher. You can see this is a pear plants, pear flower. 一個豆殼嘅花啦嚇. So after fertilization, you will see it becomes a 荷蘭豆. The ovary becomes the fruit wall. Alright, and then for the inside, you will be able to see the seed. It comes from the ovule. So if you open up the 荷蘭豆, the pear pods, for the red circle that I draw here, each of them, they're actually seed. And inside the seed, what do you see? Inside the seed, alright, let me use another color. For the inside of the seed, it is actually the embryo, 個胚胎啦. And this is how new babies are made. But I have a question for all of you. Here is something on the very top which does not look like a seed. This is not a seed. What exactly is it? It's actually an ovule, which is not fertilized. So therefore, cannot become a seed. Alright, that's it.